Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we've got a really exciting one for you. This is a Nano-Cap company. They just made a major acquisition. They're focused on the Bitcoin and blockchain space, and the name is Cryptoblox Technologies. Now there's a lot to go through in today's video, but before we get into it, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you've heard of Cryptoblox before, if you're currently holding shares, and how you think they stack up to some of the other Bitcoin miners we cover on the channel. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a company by the name of Cryptoblox Technologies. Trades on the OTC in the United States under the ticker CRYBF, and it trades on the CSE here in Canada. You can see under the ticker BLOX or BLOX, and that's on the Canadian Securities Exchange. Now, if we jump back to the US listing and we pull up the chart, the first thing you'll notice here is this is a nano-cap company, guys. Market cap sub $10 million. They're trading for 9/10 of a cent right now. They were down about 15% on today's session. That was Tuesday, August 1st. And over the last month, Cryptoblox Technologies has been trading in a range from pretty much where it is now. That's really the support we're seeing, up to just shy of 2 cents back on the 21st of July. So a relatively big trading range considering this is a 1 cent stock. Now, because this is a nano cap and a much smaller company than we normally cover on the channel, I wanted to pop over to the website and take a look at what Cryptoblox is all about. Now, this one really fits perfectly with my channel. It's a small cap company based here in North America, and it's within the crypto, Bitcoin mining, and blockchain sector, which has really become a focal point for my channel. So you can see Cryptoblox Technologies powering crypto mining with intelligent innovation, investing in today's foremost crypto mining and blockchain technologies, including data mining, blockchain technology, and power generation. Now, where this story starts to get really exciting is if you look at the portfolio of assets that they're starting to pull together at Cryptoblox, you'll see they've just acquired a property by the name of Redwater, and this facility is a sustainable and energy efficient mining farm located here in Alberta, so in Canada. The facility was constructed by industry professionals that specialize in providing power, infrastructure, operations, and hardware to maximize ROI or return on investment from high performance computing systems. And for those of you who watch my channel regularly, you'll know some of these power metrics. The facility has an output capacity of 1.2 megawatts, powered by a Caterpillar generator and switchboard that's hosting 323 S19J Pros and MV7L miners. And you'll notice they make note of the location or proximity to an existing oil and gas production site, which is going to offer cost-saving advantages, as we'll see a little bit later in today's presentation. Now, the markethighlights.com has also featured Cryptoblox Technologies within their website. I'll leave a link in the video description below. And this article that was just recently put out is titled, "Could a recent acquisition signal this little-known tech company to have as much as 578 potential upside to its 52-week high? See why now could be the best time to start your research on Cryptoblox Technologies, again on the OTC in the United States and the CSE here in Canada." Now, as the article reads on, you can see they lay out 5 reasons why they believe Cryptoblox Technologies is severely undervalued right now. And first and foremost is that active chart we saw in the intro. So it was actually just back on July 3rd that Cryptoblox Technologies saw a 160% move in a single trading session, jumping from half a cent to 1.3 cents in the very same day. And on the Canadian exchange, again under the ticker symbol BLOX, you can see they opened at a cent and jumped up to 2 cents for a 100% move, again in a single day on the 30th of June. Now, the second point talks about the higher growth potential that's inherent with nano-cap companies because of that extremely small market cap, which is defined as less than $50 million. Now, as we saw in Yahoo Finance, Cryptoblox Technologies currently has a market cap sub $5 million US and sitting at about $5.5 million Canadian. And you do generally see bigger swings with these smaller cap companies because there's fewer shares going around and generally lower volume. Now, the third point talks about the technological advancements that have been made in the blockchain community and industry over the last couple of years, and the fact that Cryptoblox Technologies' goals are aligned with that continuous innovation that's inherent to blockchain technology, particularly with their acquisition of the Redwater facility that we saw on the company website. And that's exactly what they talk about in the fourth point related to strategic acquisitions. Now, the final point they lay out here is the market opportunity. So the global blockchain technology market is expected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. And again, because the goals of Cryptoblox are aligned with a lot of that blockchain thinking, it really does put them in an optimal spot to take advantage of some of that macro secular growth. Now, if you've been following the crypto or Bitcoin mining community closely over the last couple of months, you'll know there's a ton of attention in the media right now. And in regular fashion, Cathie Wood is right in the center of this controversy. So really what it's about, you guys, is major investment firms like BlackRock, WisdomTree, and Vesco are filing for spot Bitcoin ETFs. And this has driven a rally we've seen in the price of Bitcoin, particularly in the month of June. Now, right now, the SEC is currently evaluating the proposals, but I think this will go through. It's really just a matter of time. And if these spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved, it's really going to open up a ton of access for regular people who want exposure to Bitcoin, but until now didn't have a safe and effective way to do so. And as you can see here, the percentage of Americans who own crypto has risen from 2% in 2018 to 12% in 2022, which is a 500% increase in 4 years. So there's definitely demand for this. And you can see that prominent figures in the investment community like Tom Lee from Fundstrat, Cathie Wood, who's the CEO and CIO of ARK Invest, and even some presidential candidates that are really starting to get interested in Bitcoin as an investment opportunity. Now, the next section here talks about the Redwater acquisition, which we discussed on the company website. And I mentioned on that page that they were looking at some sustainable and environmentally conscious ways of sourcing power and the proximity to that existing oil and gas production site. So what Cryptoblox is aiming to do is actually harness the natural gas that's associated with that oil production that's currently being flared or set on fire at this location, and leverage that waste gas as a sustainable and cost-effective fuel source for their mining operations. And as we've learned extensively in the crypto or Bitcoin mining space, controlling your cost of energy is crucial, especially going into next year's halving event. And they then talk about their expansion plans, which are targeted over the next 18 to 24 months at this location, which could see a capacity increase up to 3 megawatts or potentially more. Now, the next section here talks about the charts or the technical analysis with the potential upside target of 578%, which would represent a return to Cryptoblox 52-week high. And that was actually set on July 29th of last year at 3.39 cents per share, which again represents nearly 580% upside from where the share price is currently trading. Now, as if that isn't enough, Cryptoblox Technology at its core is operating in a really exciting sector, and I myself really see blockchain technology as the way of the future. So whether you're talking about payment processing or money transfers, supply chain monitoring, digital IDs or identification, data sharing, copyrights, and healthcare blockchain technology, which again we've covered on the channel, there's a number of benefits that companies like Cryptoblox can stand to benefit from. And to date, Bitcoin really stands in a league of its own in terms of blockchain technology. And that's exactly what you can see in this chart here that shows the value of blockchain technology in terms of market size from 2021 projected out to 2030 with exponential year-over-year growth, again up to that 1.5 trillion estimated mark within the next 6.5 years. So for those reasons, you guys, I definitely think Cryptoblox could be worth a look, especially if you're looking to get in at a nano-cap level in the blockchain technology space. They just made that massive acquisition of their Redwater facility, and I think this could really be a game changer for Cryptoblox moving forward. Now, with that being said, if you're still watching the video, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you've heard of this company before, if you're currently holding shares, and how you think they stack up to some of the other Bitcoin miners we cover on the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.